My name is Chandra. I am from Kadapa in Andhra Pradesh, and I have completed my bachelor's degree in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering from Sri Krishna Devaraya University, College of Engineering and Technology in 2023. And I joined in Jspiders in the month of May. And yesterday I got placed company called Wiseman Solutions. And there were 3 rounds. First round is technical aptitude, second round is aptitude, third round is technical and HR, both are the same round. They are asking Django and Python and some SQL and some technology questions. And first of all, I would like to thank Salman sir who taught me Python, and Subramanian sir for technology, and Umesh sir for SQL. And my special thanks to Salman sir who motivated me and to give me requirements, and very friendly, and he motivates very lot, and if any questions he will ask me, will without any doubts. And I would like to special thanks for Harish sir for adding my requirements. And before I came this Jspiders, I don't have any experience in programming languages, and I don't know coding knowledge. But after I came this Jspiders, I learned a lot from Jspiders. And in Python, I don't have any coding language like how to write a programs. I don't know much knowledge about. But after I came, I learned a lot from Python. Salman sir, who taught me very efficiently and very new technologies like OOPS concepts and Zangos, and how to use it in real-time examples, and where we using, how to implement these programs in real times. These are things they told. And here Jspiders are very good when compared to other institutes, because here trainers are very experts in their respective fields, and they are giving best output for any peoples, and they give some motivating, and who don't have some knowledge for particularly they will motivate them. And their classes are very effective and very able to in a new manner. And that's all. I would like to thank each and every trainers in Jspiders, and my special thanks to Salman sir. And I would like to thank Harish sir for adding the requirements. And this is my first interview. I got placed thanks to Hebbal and Jspiders.